let's talk about our Restorative Night Cream. So first I want to talk about the ingredients. The first one is squalane. Squalane is an amazing hydrating antioxidant. So it's going to help to lighten any pigmentation, lighten scarring, reduce wrinkles, and hydrate all at the same time. There's also jojoba oil, and that is very anti-inflammatory. So that's going to reduce redness, calm down your skin, even out your skin tone, and help to ease any dry patches that you have in your skin. There's also ceramides and peptides. Those are not only going to help to really lock in moisture, but protect your skin's natural barrier. So it's really going to help to renew your skin through the night as you're sleeping. I use this right after my hyaluronic acid, and I typically don't wait for it to dry. I do about 2 pumps that will cover my entire face and apply. I like this one for the night because it's a little more hydrating and heavier than the day cream. So you really wake up super hydrated and super plump, and it is the best to wear when you sleep. I just love waking up with hydrated, fresh skin, and that's what this is gonna do. So that is our Restorative Night Cream.